Here I am at the New York Mercantile Exchange CME Group floor on this Wednesday afternoon, and as I send this your way, the Champions League final is underway. Also, the Manny Pacquiao, Floyd Mayweather press conference, that's coming up. So, as I'm sure you know, I'm one very happy, one very excited man. And just as exciting, it's about that time. That's right, the markets, they're about to close right behind me. The traders, they're getting ready to go home. So, let's get it started. It's happy hour in New York City. U.S. stocks trading slightly higher this Wednesday afternoon, this in an attempt to recover from Tuesday's sell-off as investors continue to watch the dollar for gains and indications of a future Federal Reserve interest rate hike. Now, with today marking another session lacking economic reports, investors looking elsewhere for direction, including an article by the Wall Street Journal that said that the Fed would drop patient from its statement ahead of a rate hike as early as June. Speculation galore. Also, the euro continuing to slump against the U.S. dollar, falling below $1.06 today and hitting a 12-year low after the European Central Bank's quantitative easing program kicked off this week. Now, you team that with some corporate earnings, a rebound in European stocks, oil seeing a slide on inventory build right behind me, and gold nearly 1% in the red. And you have yourself a session where advancers were just a slight bit ahead of decliners over at the New York Stock Exchange. Let's now take a look to see how the markets are shaping up to close out this mostly volatile trading session. And on the corporate front, lumber liquidators, after getting hit really rough by the 60 Minutes report on the safety of its flooring products, continues to trade in a volatile pattern driven by strong opinions, both positive and negative, on the future of that company. Shake Shack, meanwhile, seeing a big drop in trading today, this ahead of its quarterly earnings report after today's closing bell. And Skyworks Solutions will replace PetSmart, which will go private today through an acquisition of BC Partners. In the S&P 500, that is, after today's close. So there you have it. Kick back, relax, grab yourself a drink if you're watching the game. Chelsea's going to win. You know it. And Manny Pacquiao, I'm not even going to say it. Until tomorrow morning from ModernWallStreet.com, I'm James Sweeney. U.S. stocks continuing to see mixed trade this Wednesday afternoon. This in an attempt to recover from